I remember the old school niggas always told me, anything you do it by yourself, keep quiet, you ain't got no talk for nobody. So I just kept it like that. I swear I ain't got no talk for a lane. Outside my campaign, grandma say hey, I don't talk for a bitch that want your best friend. I swear when I call my charge, I ain't do no talking at 12. And I hate when a nigga say he gon' do you something but talk you to death. Say what? I swear I ain't got no talk.
Behind the scenes, man. You already know what it is. Nigga City Boy in this bitch. You already know what it is, man. We behind the scenes. Good shit.
We'll be on the lookout.
Boy, check that footage out, boy. You know what I'm talking about. That shit coming soon. Azo.
What it is, man? Shout out to KK, man. You already know what it is, KKK, man. You know what I mean? Stamping the crew, man. We out here, man. Azo. Me, Wordplay. You already know what it is, man. We got See the Boy. We got Yacht up in the tank. We got Hood Star. We got Dre Blaz in the building. We got John, you know what I mean? Goddamn, we out here, man. We coolin', man. Azo video shoot, man. You know what I mean? It's a movement, like I always say, man. It's a movement, man. Word playing around the city, man. You know what I mean? I'm my own CEO, man. So shit. I move by my own sound, man. So goddamn. I see a lot of niggas out there moving, man, you know what I mean? So I respect everybody moving, man, but shit, fuck with me, man, you gotta have that wordplay, man. That's what we doing right now, man. We doing a lot of wordplay around the city, man.
I ain't got no talk for you like, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like Azo say, you feel me? Hood Star done linked up, man. WP, Hood Star, you feel me? It's going down. You know what I'm talking about? We in here.
Look at my nigga Azo, man. Wordplay, man. Vibing weed, man. Y'all be on the lookout for that shit, man. At the same time, man, y'all be on the lookout for my video shoot, man. July 15th, nigga, I get a check.
I get a check.
It's going down, nigga. If you ain't got no Nike, nigga, don't need to come.
1400 block, man.
Let's go. Wordplay.
Yeah, man.